As husband and wife, I know we'll be able to overcome anything that comes our way. I love you so much.
I love you. Dave, my partner, my love, my person. Trying to put into words how much you mean to me has been one of the hardest things about planning this day. I think it's because it feels like it won't do it justice. Also, when I think about us and our love, it feels so vast and all-encompassing, it's hard to put into words.
I'm so happy and excited that we're finally able to get married and call each other husband and wife. Sarah, I love you. I'm so thrilled to marry you and continue to build our home together. I love you so much.
I love you.
Oh my goodness, that looks so good.
Welcome to all who have gathered here this day to share in the wedding of Dave and Sarah. Today is a celebration of love and commitment. You have already joined your hearts and chosen to walk together on life's journey, and we have come to bear witness to a symbolic union and a public affirmation of the love you share.
Today we are legally 2 peas in a pod, and I want to vow to my husband-to-be, my long pa, that I will strive to be my best with you because you deserve that. I vow to practice patience, especially in times of uncertainty. I vow to foster understanding and empathy when we don't see eye to eye. And I vow to always be on your side and beside you through the ups and the downs.
I promise to do my best to be present, open to communicate, and keep things light even when we are very stressed or very cold.
Yeah.
Sarah, I love you. I'm so thrilled to marry you.
You, Dave, promise Sarah to love, honor, cherish, and protect her forevermore.
I do.
Dave, I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage for today and tomorrow and for all the days to come.
Dave and Sarah, you have come here today of your own free will, and in the presence of family and friends have declared your love and commitment to each other. And by the power vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. May you enjoy length of days. You may kiss and you may cheer.
I love you, and I'm so excited for us to be husband and wife.
Love you so much.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Let's eat.
What a beautiful wedding we had today. I'd like to give it up to our rain ghost.
Let me start off by saying, Sarah, you look flawless. Your skin is glowing, and you truly are breathtaking. As you start this new chapter in your life, I know you will always have each other's backs. So I love you both, and enjoy the rest of the night, everyone.
I've known Dave since grade school. That's a lot of time to get to know someone. We didn't become best friends until high school. He needed to grow up a bit before I could take our relationship to the next level. Dave, there isn't a day that goes by where I don't look back and recount how grateful I am to be able to call you my best friend. In that moment, Sarah totally made one thing clear. She's way too cool for Dave. Just remember to never stop dating your wife and to never stop flirting with your husband. Now it's time to raise your glasses and toast to the future of this newly married couple. Cheers.